Crabtree has been one of my favorite companies. A company which can cater to all our requirements at all junctures in a product or in a design. That's really rare today. And I think Havells have actually even more than one options for one situation itself in a project. And the kind of intelligent listening they give to architects. When I explain a project, they understand the exact need, they give an intelligent listening, later they go back, analyze the requirements and come back with dynamic, very imaginative responses which can give the project itself, a good lead. I have used Havells Crabtree in many commercial and industrial projects successfully with great happiness.
As an architect and interior designer, involving in very key and sensitive projects of pretty much large scale, we take it a point to consider lighting as a very integral and important aspect of our interiors as well as our exterior. In that respect, we have been associated with the brands Crabtree and Havells and has had very satisfactory response and been satisfied with the kind of products and the range which this company has offered to us.
I have started interacting with Havells in the last 4 to 5 years, and what impresses me most is the way, the new approach in which they have been interacting with architects as well as introducing new products to the architecture community. I have been using in many of my projects the Crabtree switches and their products. Very interesting designs they have come out with and very innovative products.
Havells, as I know of them for the last over 3 decades, has taken a very steep rise, practically a vertical rise in various products. Their products are a real value for money for the segment they are making, and in my opinion, the products are really worth using in the class they are made for.
Havells is a well-known company manufacturing various kinds of electrical equipments in the building trade. Our company, through our engineers, and we have been using their products throughout in various projects. I can recommend that they are guarantee proof and they are very innovative.
हम लोग जिस तरह का भी डिज़ाइन करते हैं, लाइटिंग में हमको कुछ सोचना नहीं पड़ता है। Havells से सब कुछ अवेलेबल होता है। एस्थेटिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमको हर तरह से सेटिस्फाइड करता है Havells।
Power consumption has become a major issue in today's architecture. Therefore, we have found in Havells products that are useful to our use and to our specifications. Their products have always been held in fairly high esteem by me and my associates, and I am quite sure that Havells will continue to grow with a quality of and the range of products that they have come up with.